I've got the key to a new property. Now, it isn't a new property for us, but it's definitely going to be new for Paula, and it's something that we've wanted to tackle and get on with for so long. We've got multiple buildings here that are in disrepair, that are an absolute eyesore, that need to be brought back to life, really. We've got old buildings that are just beautiful, full of charm, and as much as we've got a chateau, we've got the cottage, we need somewhere for Paula and Pete to stay, because they love coming over, they love spending time with us, and they want to be able to spend more, and for them to be able to have their own space so they can go and have some downtime and enjoy France the same way we do, their own freedom, their own, just to be able to do what they want to do. That's what we want to create for them. Now, this is a massive undertaking. There's no little jobs here. As you know, with us, we like to take on things and we like to do it properly, and this is it with this. It's the roof's coming in. We don't know if we've got any floors in there. The building's covered in ivy. We need to get a septic to it. We need to get electric. We need to get water. So over the course of the next year, this is going to be a huge project that we're taking on. Not that we don't have enough to do, but this is something that we want to do, and we want to do it for Paula. They're so good with us, and they come and help us, and the more time we can have them here, the better, really, because it means that we can get even more done. So we're going to start looking at clearing it out, and again, we genuinely don't know what we're going to find. This is a dumping ground for us. It's been a dumping ground for us for years, and it's just been a case that we've never seen it. We've never seen it in its entirety. We've never been able to basically assess what's there and what needs to be done. So the first jobs that we're going to crack on with really are going to be emptying everything out so that we can actually see what's there, see what we've got, see if we've even got floors. I'm assuming it'd have floors because it's been used for cattle and for horses, and it's likely there will be, but we don't know they're there. It's under about literally 6-7 inches of manure that's been in there for years and years. So it's going to be a case of clearing it all out, getting it prepped, see where we stand, and then we can start assessing what we need to do and where we go next, and plan the jobs in over the course of the next year, which is something that we're so looking forward to doing. I am in particular with this one, because it's a beautiful old building, and to see this come back to life, it's just going to be magnificent. So let's go and crack on with the work.
Down poisonous, isn't it?
Yeah. I might be able to get this up there.
You get that poison.
That's 2 pieces. You're all right. All right.
Watch your fingers, watch your fingers. Yes.
So we've got 2 of the rooms cleaned, everything out, including the muck on the floors, absolutely emptied. These weren't too bad. We've done quite well here, but we've saved the worst to last really. The one at the end has got so much old junk in and tomats, literally probably about 2-3 ton of tomats to get out as well, so it's going to be a massive amount of work. But you can see that the potential that this has, it has a massive amount of potential. Like I say, all this is coming out. We're likely going to take walls out and we're going to have to do quite a bit of work. And we're going, as we go along, you can see all of this will just be one big room pretty much here. A bathroom in the corner. This will be a living room / kitchen, dining room, bedroom at the end, and it's going to be amazing. What do you think, Paula?
It's going to be fantastic.
Are you looking forward to it?
I can't wait.
You've already started planning, haven't you, where things are going to be going? And
Oh yeah. It's all in my head and Terry's head.
but we've never seen the floors in here. We've never been able to like properly look at it and actually view the space or anything, have we? So
It's going to be amazing.
it's nice that we've been able to do that. And like I say, this is a lovely old building, and if we leave it now, it's going to fall down at some point. It does need quite a bit of work to it, but we know that we can save it. We know that we can bring it back to life with all the other stuff that we've done. So we're so looking forward, while everyone's here, to get as much done as possible over the next few weeks. So let's bash on. bottom. Is that right?
Might be able to just knock this out once it's that done. Do you want some ladders?
That's gone there.
I've done the bad thing of giving him the hammer. Like that.
Job's a good one.
That might hammer out now, Grim.
Yeah. You keep on the way of me, Tracy.
Right, don't get me a bloody helmet.
You see, on his ladders.
No. Oh, there.
Well, it's been an amazing couple of days, hasn't it?
Mm-hmm. Well, 1.5.
Yeah, it's literally, we've only been at this for a full day yesterday and a couple of hours this morning.
Yeah.
And it's starting to come back to life again, just getting rid of some of the ivy, getting rid of all of Terry's tat.
Yeah.
We call it Terry. There's some of Tracy's tat in there as well.
There was some man in there, it's been moved 1,000 times. But looking at it now, it's always been an eyesore when you come up the drive, hasn't it? It's just been used for dumping everything, and getting on top of this is the last big job to do, isn't it?
When you come into the property, this is one of the first buildings you see, that with the chateau and the cottage. So I think it's imperative we get it done, especially
Yeah.
what we've got planned over the next year and the way that we want to take
Absolutely.
the chateau in.
Yeah.
It's absolutely essential. It won't look any different to this in terms of it'll look like that. It'll just look fresh and
And
new
nice.
and nice. New roof,
Yeah.
nice new doors for it, and take some walls out inside. Nothing big.
No, I think no. We're going to reclaim the tiles, aren't we?
Yep, I think
Yeah.
we're going to look at getting as many of them off as we can because they're terracotta, and we have to replace the like for like. So if we take terracotta off, we've got to put terracotta back on, even though nothing else here is terracotta. That's just the way that the planning
It's
works.
good. I'm really looking forward to getting started on it. Now we've done other jobs and we're confident enough to do them now. I'm really looking forward to
But
it.
that's it. Again, this won't look big on camera, but
No.
it is a decent
It's
size,
perfect
isn't it?
size for Paul and Pete.
Yeah,
Perfect.
absolutely. Like I say, we'll get a kitchen, a dining room in there, a living room, a
Yeah,
bedroom, a
bedroom.
bathroom. And there won't be small rooms. The bedroom's going to be massive. She even
What you
said
need, you don't, you know what I mean? You don't need big spaces.
it'll be bigger than a bedroom what she's got back at home now.
Absolutely.
So it's going to be an ideal space. And like I say, we can do all sorts here. We can have like a nice little patio out the front, and she'll be able to enjoy all of the views.
Yeah.
And just enjoy France like we do.
We do, yeah.
That's it. They love it. They love being here, and like I say, we love them being here because we get so much more
Oh,
done.
done.
So Dad's back and he's here helping and getting on with everything with Paula, and we get so much more done when there's a couple more of us here. It just seems to move so much quicker
It does,
with everything,
yeah.
doesn't it?
It just gives you that motivation again, doesn't it, to get going. And to get this done is the biggest motivation we need, is just get this cleared,
Yeah.
tidied.
We're lucky we've got the weather right now, and it
yeah.
could be anything this time of year. It could be
Yeah.
anything from rain, sleet, snow, hail, gale force winds, but it's glorious. It's about 18 degrees,
It's
nice
lovely.
to work in, and we can just crack on and get as much done as we can over this next 2 weeks. And then we've got the garden to look forward to when Shane gets back in a couple of weeks.
Absolutely. So we did think we were going to get a winter's rest, but I don't think we're going to.
No, it's not going to happen. But again, it
Yeah.
gives us something to do, and like I say, this will be a project over the next year now.
Yeah,
I think it'll
yeah.
take us about that to get it done
Yeah,
properly.
it's not going to happen overnight, but we know it's a start now, and we know we can do it when we've got other jobs that are not important.
Well, we can see it now. We can plan it. We
Absolutely.
could never see it before, just
Yeah.
because of the way that it was, and
Yeah.
everything built out, even out the front. That little lovely patio out the front
Yeah.
where she'd be able to sit there with a nice table and chairs, have a nice coffee on the morning.
Yeah.
Like she's already dreaming about it, isn't she? Bless her.
Yeah,
So
it's going to be good.
it's going to be amazing. So hope you've enjoyed today's show. Again, we're just loving everything that we do because it's family and it's
Yeah,
amazing.
It's exciting. It's like we've been excited again, haven't
Yeah.
we, starting something like this, you
Yeah.
know. We're coming to a point where everything's getting on top of, and this is exciting now doing this.
They
I'm
always,
looking
they
forward
always
to it.
need a project and a big project. So not that we don't have enough with that big thing over there. You know.
I haven't had a hammer for ages.
She's happy because she gets to hit things and a saw
Yeah.
and a shovel.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if you've enjoyed today's programme, please hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you've got the bell click for notifications, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Bye.
If you'd like to be part of our journey and help restore the chateau, then please join us on Patreon, where you'll be part of our journey, receive a piece of the history, and get exclusive videos.